Hi everyone, my name is Craig Golightly, and welcome to my course, AWS Compute Deep Dive. I am a senior software consultant. Compute services are at the core of your applications. The cloud has evolved beyond simple virtual servers, so it's essential to be familiar with your options so you can design using the best services available. In this course, we're going to cover the different compute services offered by AWS and the key options and configurations available for those services to help you maximize performance and minimize cost. If you're studying for the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Professional exam, you're in the right place. Some of the major topics that we will cover include EC2, AMIs, and EBS snapshots, placement groups and instance profiles, Lambda and serverless, and running containers on AWS. By the end of this course, you will be able to leverage the best compute option for different tasks, optimize your application performance, take advantage of services to reduce your overall compute costs and operational burden, and have a solid foundation for your exam preparations. Before beginning the course, you should have a basic understanding of AWS. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about cloud computing on AWS with the AWS Compute Deep Dive course at Pluralsight.